In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a GitHub gist. Whether you're looking to share snippets of code, configuration files, or even simple notes, GitHub gists offer a convenient way to share and collaborate with others. Let's dive into the process. To get started, you'll need to navigate to the website gist.github.com. If you're already browsing through GitHub, you can also find a convenient shortcut by clicking the plus icon located at the top right corner of the site. From there, select New Gist. Both of these routes will bring you to the same page where you can start creating your gist. Once there, you might notice a field labeled Description. While filling this out is optional, it serves as a great opportunity to provide context about the content you're sharing. It might be a brief explanation of what your code does or information about the note you're publishing. Providing this context can be especially helpful for anyone who might come across your gist in the future. Next, you'll need to specify a file name, which should include the proper file extension. This is a crucial step because it lets GitHub know how to format and display your text or code properly. For instance, if you're uploading a Python script, you'd use a file name ending in bpy like script.p. If it's a markdown document, something like notes.md would be appropriate. Correct extensions ensure syntax highlighting works, making your gist more readable. Now, it's time to type or paste your actual content into the editor. This is where the magic happens. Whether you're sharing a new piece of code or a set of notes, make sure to review the content you paste or type to ensure it meets your needs. The next decision is about visibility. GitHub allows you two choices, secret and public. If you opt for a secret gist, it will only be accessible via a direct link. This means it's not searchable within GitHub, offering a level of privacy. This option is ideal if you're sharing with a select group of people you trust. On the other hand, a public gist is visible to everyone and is searchable on GitHub. This can be useful if you're aiming to contribute to the community or share content widely. When you've made your choice, it's time to commit by clicking either Create Secret Gist or Create Public Gist, depending on your preference. This will save your gist to GitHub for others to view, edit, or fork as needed. Now you've successfully created a GitHub gist, ready to share with whomever you choose. It's that simple. Whether for personal use, collaboration, or open sharing, gists are a powerful tool in the GitHub ecosystem. Thanks for watching and happy coding!